Global happenings today. We communicate, we analyze global news. Stay tuned.
Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to Global Happenings Today. From all indication, Governor Charles Soludo has his hands very full as events have unfolded in Anambra. Don't forget that some days back, the autopiloters have given a mandate that Monday sit-at-home continues regardless of whose heir is being God, except Anambra Lawmakers is released. And of course, the newest governor in town, that is Charles Soludo, had also mandated come on the 4th of April, which is about few days from now, sit at home will be abolished permanently in Anambra State. Well, it looks like the Anambra Assembly also, in a bid to check what is going on in security that is going to have decided to bring back the very thing that the Southeasterners have always wanted abolished. How this will play out, we have no idea. But in a moment, you're going to find out what it is the Anambra Assembly is urging Governor Soludo to do as a matter of urgency to protect Indian Anambra and also the infrastructure in the state. But before we do that, I'd like you to subscribe to our channel by clicking on the red subscribe button. Beside it, you will see a bell notification icon. Please go ahead, click on it to get notified or to get notification as soon as we update our channel on YouTube. Okay, let's go straight into the news. Anambra State House of Assembly has passed a resolution urging Governor Chukwuma Soludo to call the attention of the Commissioner of Police Anambra State Command, that's Mr. Echeng, to return police checkpoint and patrol teams at intermittent positions in and around the state to curb activities of UGM and other criminalities. The House passed the resolution following a motion of urgent public importance sponsored to that effect by the member representing Igbo Suko constituency, Honorable Onyebuchi Offa, during the plenary. Honorable Offa explained that the absence of police checkpoints and patrol teams is a security threat to the state, as armed non-state actors could take advantage of it to perpetrate crime in the state. The lawmaker maintained that if police checkpoints and patrol teams return on the road, it will help in securing lives and property, especially along identified black spots where crimes usually occur. On his part, the Speaker of the House, Right Honorable Uche Okafor, noted that the primary responsibility of government is to provide security for its citizenry, and that is one of the cardinal objectives of Soludo administration. He further said that adequate protection of lives and property by the government gives the people a sense of security and deters criminals from operating. Don't forget that it took quite a while for Southeast to be eradicated from all forms of checkpoint. A whole lot of Southeasterners insisted that they wanted the checkpoint out because, according to them, they were being extorted every other time. There were specific amounts every day. It was as if it was more like returns, where they kept on paying some monies in the name of checkpoint, and they did all they could to ensure that checkpoints are removed. According to them, apart from the extortion, the time wasting on the road, one checkpoint to the other, time would have maybe 45 minutes drive, takes you like 3 hours drive, because they seem to be check the boots, check everywhere, slowing down a whole lot of things. But right now, that if you check the video at the background, notice that people are just, speeding that Anambra main town. There seem to be movements, those axes going to, Imo State axis, Port Harcourt axis, all those roads, they're without checkpoint, technically speaking. But right now, Anambra House of Assembly is insisting that Soludo must, as a matter of urgency, bring back the checkpoint to check UGM. What is just about the corner. We do not know what Soludo would do, but one thing is certain: Soludo has sworn to protect Indian Anambra. Let's see how it plays out. Let's put in the comment section what's your take. Do have a nice time. God bless.